Hey car enthusiasts, Carhelpout here, a simple way to get a mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience, either for auto car repair, emergency roadside assistance, or pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection service near you. Today I'm tackling a crucial question. Is your car running on a timing belt or a timing chain? Knowing this can save you a lot of headaches, so let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the basics. Timing belts and chains do the same job. They synchronize the rotation of the crankshaft and camshaft to ensure your engine's valves open and close at the right times. The big difference? Timing belts are made of rubber and need replacing every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, while timing chains are made of metal and can last the life of the engine. So how do you tell which one your car has? Here are 3 simple ways. Number 1, check your owner's manual. It should clearly state if your car has a timing belt or chain. Look in the maintenance section for replacement intervals. Number 2, pop the hood and take a look. Timing belts are usually hidden behind a plastic or metal cover on the front of the engine. Timing chains, on the other hand, are often encased within the engine itself, so they're harder to spot.
Carhelpout.com.
Number 3, listen to your
engine.
engine. Timing belts run more quietly, while timing chains can produce a rattling noise. Especially if they're worn. And there you have it, 3 quick ways to determine if your car has a timing belt or chain. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, Automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Please let us know if you have any comment, question, or observation regarding this video. And don't forget to click on the next video on your screen for more car tips and tricks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.